Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here navigate to the search pool and write Google Classroom. Now select this app and install it. Now that the installation is done, you can click Open, select Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this classroom, press on this plus button and join your class. Enter the class code in the pool right here, and after doing so, you can join right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.